Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be telling you 10 silent symptoms that people usually ignore, but later it can lead to major health issues. First is persistent fatigue even after proper rest. It could be due to anemia, thyroid disorder, vitamin deficiency, early diabetes, chronic infection, or depression. Second, unexplained weight changes. So, unexplained weight gain can be due to hormonal imbalance, PCOS, hypothyroidism, and unexplained weight loss can be due to diabetes, gut issues, stress, or malignancy. Third is frequent headache. The common causes could be migraine, eye strain, high BP, hormonal imbalance, or sleep disorders. Fourth is digestive problems. It could be acidity, bloating, constipation, or diarrhea, or lot of gas. And the reason behind this could be gut imbalance, food intolerance, IBS, fatty liver, or stress related gut disorders. Fifth is menstrual changes in women. It can be irregular periods or excessive period pain, very heavy or light flow or missed periods. And the reason behind this could be PCOS, thyroid problems, hormonal imbalance, and nutritional deficiency. Sixth is shortness of breath in doing day to day activities. And the reason behind this can be asthma, anemia, or heart issues. Seventh, change in sleep pattern, and it could be due to anxiety, depression, hormonal imbalance, nervous system fatigue, or blood sugar disturbance. Eighth is skin and hair changes. That is, excess hair fall can be due to thyroid problem, anemia, stress. Acne or pigmentation can be due to hormonal imbalance. Very dry skin can be due to dehydration or thyroid problem. Ninth is numbness, tingling, or burning sensation. This can be due to vitamin deficiency, nerve compression, diabetes, or poor circulation. Tenth is mood changes, that is, irritability, anxiety, low motivation, or frequent crying for no reason. This can be due to hormonal imbalance, nutritional deficiency, poor sleep, or gut issues. So never ignore these silent signs. In homeopathy, we have very good medicines to treat and correct this symptom at early stage so that they don't progress and become serious illness. And if you want homeopathic medicines, you can contact to this number. That's all for today's video. I hope this was useful. If it was, do share it with your friends and family, and remember to subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts or any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.